into FPL. And you know, FPL Clinic is where we treat your team so that they are able to actually live up to the right expectations. So a couple of things have happened so far. Let's just quickly recap. Spurs have gone on to lose 3 games now, and they've not won since match week 18, and they are looking relegation in the face like that in that manner. Now, Liverpool also needed a very dramatic late winner in that game versus Nottingham Forest. Victor Pereira would say that goal should not have stood again. But some notes that you should really put into consideration is the way and manner in which Pep is deploying O'Reilly. Yes, the way and manner he's deploying O'Reilly, getting 2 goals and 17 points in the last game. And also, Gyökeres scored a brace against Spurs, so you also just have that one in mind. But games to target, I'll talk about one game for this week. That will be the game between Brentford and Burnley. Burnley are on their way down. They seem not to be able to clutch onto any form of lifeline given onto them, and Brentford are trying to make a final push for Europe, so they need this game the most. And some player recommendations, and despite the fact that the team has not really performed well in the next 3 games or so, they're facing favorable competition. Hence, I present to you a very, very odd player recommendation, Virgil van Dijk. Yeah, the guys in studio are looking at me because they know Virgil van Dijk there. But however, they are facing West Ham, they are facing Wolverhampton Wanderers, and they're facing a Spurs team. So at least you expect Liverpool to live up to some considerable clean sheets here and there. Even look at the past couple of games. In game week 25, 0 for him. But in the last 2 game weeks, he's been very, very exceptional for the team that is Liverpool. And one player to sell this week, look at Enzo Fernandez. He has blanked in 3 game weeks, and the next 3 game weeks also for Chelsea are quite difficult. So consider free up some cash on the man Enzo Fernandez. Now, keep in mind that there is a big game week 31 coming up. Yes, so just make sale of Enzo Fernandez. There's a big game week 31 coming up. So we'll be wrapping up and getting closer to that with some chip strategy as well. Now, given how clear the fixture swing is for Chelsea, it might be time to jump off a couple more of Chelsea assets. Yes, so the fixture list is going to get difficult for Chelsea, so you might look to free up the Chelsea players and then get into other teams. For captaincy this week, you can continue looking at the gentleman. That is Erling Haaland. Yes, Erling Haaland is one person you can look at. He comes up against a elite team that obviously he has fancied himself against. So look at Erling Haaland. Aside Leeds, they have more interesting games against Nottingham Forest and also West Ham United. Another person, again, you should consider for captaincy is Bruno Fernandes. Yes, Bruno Fernandes will be playing Crystal Palace this weekend, and it's a game that you could be looking forward to if the Haaland situation does not go down well with you. Now, let me give you quick differentials, and then we bounce out of here. So, differentials, Dango Ouattara. Yes, Dango Ouattara of Brentford. One player you need to look at is really performing well, coming off that side and really causing a lot of havoc in the box, being sort of a second striker sometimes as well. And then Ryan, who has decided that he'll be able to drive it through teams for Bournemouth from that right-hand side, causing a lot of teams dangerous plays. They don't know whether it's going to go near post or far post. Ryan has been really, really instrumental so far since joining the club mid-season. So, and then one player you should also look at because of the kind of fixtures they have coming for themselves is Anthony Gordon. Anthony Gordon. Especially now that Nick Votemede has been drawn back into midfield. So sometimes Nick Votemede actually now is playing behind Anthony Gordon. Yes. Thanks to the man, Eddie Howe, Nick Votemede has been switched up, and you now, if you have Nick Votemede, you can switch up and sell him and get Anthony Gordon. It all works, all right? So enjoy FPL. That's that as far as that is concerned with your FPL clinic.